Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Happy Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah, whatever holidays you celebrate at this time. I wish you that you have the best of it this year. But guys, I have some extremely important information that I must discuss with you in this video. It is Christmas, and despite being Christmas, I have to come out from my family, from celebrating my holiday to make this video for you because I know you guys need to hear this information. It is extremely important that you hear this. Now, what is happening? There are major things happening behind the scenes for a lot of cryptocurrencies, but specifically in this video, we are going to be talking about what is happening for Dogecoin because there are massive changes about to be taking place. Not only that, guys, there is some breaking news for Shiba Inu. There's potentially going to be a massive burn of Shiba Inu tomorrow, which could potentially also skyrocket the price of these two cryptos. And not only that, guys, there is a whole bunch of cryptocurrencies that are setting up like I've never seen them before to make some massive gains. So make sure you watch this video until the end because you cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? Ladies and gentlemen, here and Yoshi. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that can make or break you lots of money. Also, if you want to get access to the most profitable trading community for cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon right now. The link for that will be in my video description. In my Patreon, I give you guys my buy and sell alerts. Also, my constant updates into the market so you can know what is happening at all times. I also let you know and give you plays way before they blow up so you can make lots of money. And you can even message me every single day. I will get back to you. You can even call me on the phone with certain tiers within the Patreon where we can go over your current portfolio, change some things, add some things so you can be in the best position possible. Now, if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and smash up the like button to break the algorithm so we can make some noise and also to be able to share this video with many other people who need this information. And do not forget, right before we dive straight into the video, do not forget to get your free money from WEBULL. All you have to do is create a free account below, deposit 1 penny, and they will send you 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptos with. Go ahead and check it out. All the links for that will be in my video description. I have a whole bunch of other links to make and save you a lot of money in crypto. And also make sure you follow all of my socials, my Twitter, my Instagram. I do put free information, valuable information for free there as well. Be careful. There are a lot of scammers creating these accounts, fake accounts, even in the comments here on YouTube, impersonating me, scamming people, taking your money. I will never, ever ask you to send me crypto. I will never ask you to invest in me. So just be aware. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the market. So as we are seeing, most cryptocurrencies for Christmas, as we have called out many days before, would most likely rally on Christmas, which is called the Santa rally, and it is happening today. It happened yesterday and Christmas Eve as well. There's a lot of cryptocurrencies that are up, like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Polygon, Crypto.com, guys. Crypto.com is up 25% in the last 7 days. There's another cryptocurrency that we recently bought in the Patreon. We've been holding on to for a while. Congratulations if you bought the dip, but Sandbox is up 30% the last 7 days. I'm glad I bought the Sandbox dip. Look at this, Atom. Cosmos Atom is up 30% as well. VeChain is taking off. There's so many amazing cryptocurrencies that we do talk about in the Patreon that are up substantially. It is a wonderful thing. But what we are certainly noticing is that the smart contract platforms and the metaverse cryptos are certainly taking off. Let me know what cryptos that you have in your portfolio are taking off as well. So now that we understand what's happening in the crypto market, we have to go over these pieces of news before we dive into technical analysis. And technical analysis is where we can take a deep dive into the action of a cryptocurrency and see where we are truly headed. So the first thing we're going to start off with is 176 million Shiba Inu to be destroyed at Shiba Burn Christmas Party. So what we are seeing is that Bigger Entertainment, the company behind Spotify, they have a playlist that burns Shiba Inu tokens with every song streamed. And so on December 22nd, some of you may have heard of this, some of you may have not, but they said on their Twitter that they are going to burn 176 million Shiba Inu tokens at their December 26th Christmas party. So it says that we are set to burn 176 million Shiba Inu and growing at our burn party. So that number might actually be so much more than that, and they are burning alive. So that's going to be a very cool thing. They are certainly helping, and you can buy a ticket on their website for $5, and 100% of that is going to be burned. This saves gas fees instead of everyone doing separate burns, so that one single person is going to be doing this. It's very interesting. A lot of companies are trying to do the same exact thing. A lot of people love burning these Shiba Inu coins if they can. And what this does, it causes hype, it causes excitement to come back, because the people that are investing in Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, like all of us who are watching this video, especially the newer investors, a lot of people bought at the top or near the top, and now they are down significantly, and not as down as they were, but a lot of people are down significantly. So when they basically invest all of their money and they are down significantly, that takes a lot of their pride away. It takes a lot of their confidence in the market, because unfortunately there are whales and there's market manipulation to cause the dips, to cause the crashes. And that is exactly what has happened. That's why there was a big crash in the market for a couple of months, because there was market manipulation. A lot of the whales in China were dumping as much crypto as possible to dump the market, to cause liquidations and a whole bunch of other chain reactions to drop the market. And that is exactly what they did. But what we are seeing now is that they pretty much have run out of their dumping power. And that's why we are starting to see a strong recovery, because there are more buyers than sellers. And even though the China whales were dumping, which is good for us because it continues to give us more power over cryptocurrencies, as we noticed at the beginning of this year and even the end of last year, the China Bitcoin mining whales, what they would do is they would mine all of this Bitcoin. They would make time dumps. So they would all dump Bitcoin that they made through mining and receive through mining at the same time to drop the market when it would hit certain peaks, which would cause the same crashing and volatility and liquidations, which causes bear markets and these corrections. But now they've pretty much liquidated all of the miners out of China, and now the US has all of that mining power. So the China whales, they can't dump anymore. And the good thing about it is China continues to dump and dump and dump, and eventually they're going to run out of cryptos, because there's only so many Bitcoins, there's only so many cryptos that they can dump. And once they dump them, they're not going to want to buy after the market has peaked up. No, they're not going to. So that takes away the power from China. It takes away a lot of the market manipulation out of the hands of the enemy. So the correction that happened was actually a good thing for the longevity of cryptocurrencies, especially this coming year. So we have very good things happening with Shiba Inu. There's a whole bunch of major catalysts that are going to be happening this year. We have Shibarium, we have a whole bunch of, we have an NFT marketplace, we have metaverse, we have gaming. There's so many crazy things that are going to be coming to Shiba Inu that aren't just going to be these little articles that will pump up the price 5%. No, those articles are not only going to pump the price of Shiba Inu like crazy, but the articles will actually bring true value to the project of Shiba Inu, which will attract real investors like major whales, major institutions. And that is what is needed to bring a cryptocurrency to great heights. Now, here we have some more news. I talked briefly about this, but here's the thing. Now, Vitalik Buterin was trying to convince the Dogecoin Foundation, who he is the head of, to change Dogecoin from proof of work to proof of stake, which means that Dogecoin would no longer need anyone mining it, but that the people that would stake their Dogecoin, which is a new functionality that is going to be added to Dogecoin, which you cannot currently do, but that the people that actually stake Dogecoin will be mining it through staking it by becoming a node validator. And also the people that stake their Dogecoin will receive rewards to do that instead of the miners. So this is a very, very amazing thing that can happen, that is going to happen to Dogecoin most likely this year. So Vitalik Buterin is obviously one of the founders and creators of Ethereum. If you do not know that, one of the most and best successful crypto projects in the entire world. And he is now headed, if you didn't know this as well, the Dogecoin Foundation, which is basically the Dogecoin developmental team, which is headed none other by Elon Musk himself, the overseer, the CEO of Dogecoin. So Dogecoin has some amazing things. And make sure you watch my video from yesterday. Dogecoin has some incredible catalysts that are happening to Dogecoin as well, which is going to be extremely beneficial to us Dogecoin holders and anyone that is going to invest in Dogecoin in the future. These types of catalysts that are going to be happening to Dogecoin, in my opinion, I believe are going to help to catapult Dogecoin above the all-time high, which is around 74 cents this coming year, and most likely way above $1. And I believe that Dogecoin, along with these catalysts, while Ethereum and Bitcoin make some crazy moves this year as well, will probably reach well over $1, and it really depends on how the whole crypto market moves this year. If the whole crypto market moves this year, like Bitcoin breaks 150K or 200K or something crazy, it'll be very easy to see Dogecoin $2 and above, especially with these major catalysts coming left and right for Dogecoin. So here we have it, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, just major catalysts happening. And if we go ahead and take a look into technical analysis, look at this. This is just the Dogecoin chart, guys. A cup and handle, look at this, a perfect cup forming right now, a little handle, which means we could get a small little dip here before bouncing up and breaking this level of resistance, which is also called a neckline, which should most likely propel us to 22 cents. And from our current level, we are looking at a 15% gain to bring us to that high, to that same level of resistance, which if we do break that 22-cent level of resistance, it would be very likely that we would get another major breakout to bring us into the mid to high 20s. So Dogecoin on a technical level and a fundamental level, I am proving to you and showing to you right now, is extremely bullish. Shiba Inu is actually forming this exact same pattern, but we've actually ended up breaking the neckline, and the handle of the cup is forming higher than the neckline, which is actually being used as a level of support, which was the previous resistance. So Shiba Inu is also setting up for a massive gain. And if we were to measure this breakout at how high, if we do get a breakout here very soon, which is very likely, this would potentially pump us up another from our current level, probably another 20% or greater. And depending on how the stock market indices open up on Monday, if the NASDAQ, if the Dow Jones continue to recover, which they are doing right now, the crypto market could see some massive gains this week and the next coming weeks, because it's going to be the new year. We know that a lot of people are going to be adding money for the new year and so forth. So the whole market is just looking absolutely crazy right now. I'm super excited. And remember, nothing in this video has been financial advice. It's just my own opinion. So if you've got something out of the video, give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with a friend or family member. I would really appreciate it, as I made this video for free, coming out of my family time, coming out of my holiday time to make this video for you all out of pure love. Also, make sure you join that Patreon so you can be making money and be set up in the best possible position for the crypto market this year and so forth. Follow the socials and everything down below, and I will see you all later. Have a great day. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas.